Essentially, WebinarKit is an all-in-one platform for creating webinar funnels that generate leads and sell to your audience on autopilot. Webinar marketing, and specifically automated webinars, is the exact strategy used by top coaches, consultants, professionals, and business owners to attract new clients and passively generate millions of dollars online. This includes such legends as Tony Robbins and Brendon Burchard. Webinars are especially effective when selling high-end products and services because this requires establishing trust with your customers and clients. And they're also effective when selling complicated products and services that require demonstration and explanation. WebinarKit allows you to use the power of webinars to automate your sales and scale your online business. WebinarKit is perfect for business owners who want to sell high-end products and services or generate more leads, service providers and agencies that want to attract new clients, coaches and consultants who want to sell their services online, course creators and experts in different fields who want to sell their courses, SaaS business owners who want to attract more software users, and affiliate marketers who want to promote high-end offers. WebinarKit is one of the most affordable webinar solutions with such a user-friendly interface and such an extensive set of features. It is used by over 10,000 entrepreneurs and businesses in different industries. And today, you can get WebinarKit at a special low price using the link down below in the description. Now, this special offer for WebinarKit allows you to create an unlimited number of automated live webinars for an unlimited number of attendees, sell your courses, products, or services 24 hours a day on autopilot, attract more clients, and generate more sales, leads, and email subscribers by running hundreds of webinars a month without going live. WebinarKit allows you to easily create registration pages and unlimited automated webinars with lead capture forms, high converting offers, live chat, email notifications, and text message notifications. As a WebinarKit user, you get access to different webinar types, scheduling options, detailed analytics, and the ability to track conversions and remarket to your audience after the webinar ends. WebinarKit integrates with top marketing automation platforms including GetResponse, MailChimp, HubSpot, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and others. Apart from that, WebinarKit's Zapier integration allows you to connect to thousands of other applications within seconds. If you want to get WebinarKit at a special price with all of our bonuses, click on the first link in the description of this video. Once you click on the link in the description, you'll be taken to this bonus page. On this page, you'll see all of the bonuses that we've prepared for you. You get these bonuses absolutely free with the purchase of WebinarKit. But this is important. The special pricing you see on the bonus page and the free bonuses are only available for a limited time. You can pick up WebinarKit and all of the bonuses by clicking on any of the blue buttons on the bonus page. Now, WebinarKit provides you with all the necessary tools to start creating automated webinars right away. But there are 3 things you need to make a lot of money online using webinar marketing. You need traffic to get webinar registrations, you need an actual webinar to run, and you need a product to sell during that webinar. If you purchase WebinarKit through our link, you'll get access to free resources and training that will help you generate traffic, increase sales, create high converting webinars, create products to sell, and make the most of WebinarKit. The free bonuses we've included for you show the most effective ways to create digital and information products that you can sell during your webinars, to drive free traffic to your webinars, drive paid traffic, and create high converting webinars to maximize your sales. Our first bonus is a Facebook group method. It's usually sold for $297, but you'll get it for free. In this special case study, you'll discover over-the-shoulder style exactly how our business partner sold over $50,000 of his course in 62 days using nothing but free traffic, a Facebook group, and an automated webinar. With this bonus, you'll learn how to drive targeted traffic to your webinars without spending any money on advertising and how to generate sales using automated webinars. Now, this is important because once you get WebinarKit, you'll need to drive traffic to your webinars to get sales, leads, or email subscribers. Our second bonus is the Crush It with YouTube Ads training. It's usually sold for $997. In this 1-hour training, you'll discover how to set up and run YouTube ads to an automated webinar. This method has the potential to generate $1,000 per day with automated webinars using YouTube ads traffic. Essentially, with this bonus, you'll learn how to quickly drive traffic to your webinars using YouTube ads and how to set up and run YouTube ads effectively. So if you do have a budget for advertising and want to get traffic faster, then this bonus is a must-have. Our third bonus is the Sell Using Automated Webinars Funnel training. It's usually sold for $497. In this training, you'll uncover the $600,000 power funnel used to make $1,000 a day with one PowerPoint video and an automated webinar. This is a special training that unveils the most powerful funnel in the internet marketing world, the automated webinar funnel. With this bonus, you'll learn how our business partners made over $600,000 last year using an automated webinar, how you can leverage automated webinars in your business, and how to create a high-converting webinar funnel. This is important because once you get WebinarKit, you need to understand how to build effective webinar funnels to convert your webinar attendees into buyers. Our fourth bonus is the $100,000 shortcut case study. It's usually sold for $297. In this masterclass, you will learn the exact steps used to partner with experts to sell their products with automated webinars. This strategy will ensure you don't spend any time on product creation or delivery. With this bonus, you'll learn how to save time on product creation and delivery, how to sell other people's products using automated webinars, how to find, reach out, and form partnerships with relevant experts. If you don't have a product to sell or want to expand to a new market, then this bonus will help you quickly create products while saving you time and money. We've also negotiated additional bonuses that you will get from the vendor for free if you purchase through our link. Bonus number 5 is access to an exclusive private community. Access to this community will enable you to meet other entrepreneurs, business owners, webinar creators, and affiliate marketers who are crushing it with webinar marketing. You'll be able to network, exchange ideas, and learn new effective marketing strategies. If you're new to webinar marketing, then it will be very beneficial for you to have a support group that will guide you along the way. If you want to grow your online business, then you will find business partners who can help you. Bonus number 6 is the 7-figure slide deck template. You get access to a proven webinar slide deck template used to generate over 7 figures in sales. Use these templates to sell anything online. Essentially, you'll be able to copy and paste a proven 7-figure webinar slide deck to sell anything with webinars. This template will help you easily create high-converting webinars or improve your existing video presentations. These bonuses will help you gain a competitive advantage and help you get a clear understanding of how to maximize the effectiveness of webinar marketing in your business. We specifically looked at what WebinarKit was missing and included the resources you need to make the most of this software. The bonuses we've gone through are easily worth over $2,500 on their own, but today you can get them all for free with your purchase of WebinarKit. To claim all these bonuses free of charge and get them instantly delivered to you, all you need to do is click on the first link in the description of this video, go to the bonus page which looks like this, click on any of the blue buttons on the bonus page. This will take you to the sales page which looks like this. You can pick up your copy of WebinarKit on this sales page by clicking on the button that says Get Instant Access Now. Once you purchase WebinarKit through our link, you'll get instant access to your bonuses, either inside the members area of WebinarKit or by going to the purchase receipt page inside the JVZoo Marketplace and clicking the relevant button. To access your bonuses inside the JVZoo Marketplace, log into your JVZoo customer portal account. Once you've logged in, click on the My Purchases tab inside the dashboard, select the product you've purchased and click View Details. You'll be taken to the purchase receipt page. Scroll down to the Access Your Purchase section. There, you'll see a button that will allow you to access your bonuses. Let's talk about the sales page for WebinarKit in more detail. Once you click on any of the blue buttons on the bonus page, you'll be taken to this sales page. Here, you can click on any of the buttons that say Get Instant Access Now to get your copy of WebinarKit. Let's take a look at WebinarKit's value proposition. Automate your sales, growth, and profits with WebinarKit. Create automated, live, and just-in-time webinar funnels in minutes on the same platform trusted by over 10,000 businesses. Basically, WebinarKit is an all-in-one webinar solution that combines building your entire marketing funnel, running automated webinars, selling and remarketing to your audience. Here are the main benefits of this offer. You get unlimited funnels, registrants, and attendees. Create as many webinar funnels as you like and sell as much as you want with easy-to-use builder and built-in sales tools. Unlock evergreen profits, sell passively 24/7. Sell more courses, products, and software, and get more clients with the selling done automatically. One-time pricing for a limited time. Never pay monthly fees with WebinarKit's special one-time pricing for a limited time. I recommend checking out the sales video to learn more about the features of the software. WebinarKit comes packed with a huge set of features. With WebinarKit, you can create automated webinars which run on autopilot, just-in-time webinars which allow you to schedule webinars shortly after someone visits the registration page, evergreen webinars which are always relevant and can run all year round, live webinars which are automated webinars that look like they have live engagement, instant watch webinars which allow your registrants to access the webinar immediately, full webinar funnel builder. This allows you to easily build registration pages, thank you pages, and remarket to your audience. Easily customize all parts of the webinar funnel. For each page in the funnel, you can customize text, background colors, headlines, descriptions, timers, logos, and more to increase conversions. All pages hosted on WebinarKit servers, so you don't need to pay for a separate website or hosting. You can host all of your webinar funnels in one place. Browser-based, pixel-perfect HD quality. You can present using high definition audio and video. All major browsers are supported, there's no need to install any plugins or apps. Unlimited webinars, registrants, and attendees. WebinarKit lets you create unlimited webinars and webinar funnels and have unlimited registrations and attendees. Other platforms limit how many webinar events, registrations, and attendees you can have. Boost sales with webinar offers. Set custom offers to display at specific times during your webinar presentation. Easy webinar scheduling. Schedule your webinar for a specific time and date, or schedule your webinar on an ongoing basis for certain times and days. You can interact with viewers at any time using live chat. Simple and easy to read analytics. View all of your webinar metrics in a single dashboard, including registration page conversion rates, webinar dropout times, average attendance rates, clicks to your offers, and much more. You can easily receive and answer attendee questions. You can set up powerful email notifications and text message notifications for your registrants. WebinarKit integrates with top CRMs and email platforms. With WebinarKit, you get advanced remarketing segmentation. This lets you target people after the webinar depending on if they watched it, whether they saw your offer, or how much of the webinar they watched. Easy conversion tracking. You can add conversion tracking or analytics scripts to any of your webinar funnel pages. The software also has full multi-language support, which basically allows you to translate any page of the webinar funnel into different languages. Definitely check out the demo video to get a feel of the simple user interface and how the software works. On this sales page, you can learn more about the benefits of WebinarKit. You can also check out the price comparison with other webinar platforms. As you can see, WebinarKit is a much more affordable option during this special offer. WebinarKit provides solid guarantees with the software. You get a 14-day no questions asked money back guarantee, so you have enough time to test out the software at no risk to you. If you are not satisfied for any reason, you can easily get your money back within 14 days. You also get free lifetime updates of the software to ensure you're using the most up-to-date version and have access to the latest features. In terms of support, WebinarKit also provides a dedicated support team working 24/7 to answer all of your questions, product training in the form of follow-along videos and step-by-step instructions, access to a private community of online entrepreneurs who are happy to share their experience with this software. One successful webinar campaign should be enough to make a return on your investment, and our bonuses will show you exactly how to run successful webinar campaigns. You can visit the sales page to learn more about the software in your own time. Just click on the link in the description of this video, go to our bonus page, click on any blue button, and you'll be taken to the sales page.